Hi, I'm Scott for Expert Village, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Chinese compass. And now, to finalize our process here, we go ahead and we take our needle, make sure that it's suspended in the middle. That's important, else it'll just dangle in a free direction. We don't need that. And we'll just wind it up again until it's hanging pretty close to the pen. And when we put it down in the glass, you'll see that instantly it starts spinning in directions. And it is pointing towards me with the pointy end, which means that it is pointing north. So there you have it. This is a Chinese compass, and north is towards me, and south is not towards me. Now, a fun experiment that you can also do with this to make it work better for your little kids is to actually have them leave these around the house and constantly move them. They can understand how the magnetic poles of the earth works. So there you go. That is a Chinese compass, and for Expert Village, I'm Scott.